Alright, time for the math. Easy solution to discuss. Just basically addition and subtraction by hand. Look in depth in this because, well, actually last year I was doing a final exam for one of my engineering course, and my calculator broke down, and I had to do everything by hand. So I thought, hey, might as well look into this further. So basically, let's start with an example. Let's say we have 12.31. Subtract this by, let's say, 13.81. I mean addition. Let's just start with addition first. So basically, if you want to add these up, you guys, if you did high school math, you would know that you would just add these two. You would just add everything together like this. Would be a 2. This is an 11. This would be a 1. Then you would bring the 1 up here. This is 6. You have a point, and then this is a 2. So I just wanted to well, basically with addition and subtraction, you could just see that every number of them have to add up in their own digits, like where the digits are. But just to clarify and basically look in depth in this, I'll show you how you could rewrite this so that this would makes a bit more sense how we all get to do this. Basically, you could rewrite this as just 12.31 plus 13.81, and then again you could basically times both of them, the top and bottom, by 100. So you get rid of this decimal place. And similarly here, just times 100 divided by 100, and then we will get, let's say, we'll just write it over here. We'll just go 1 over 100. This will be just 1231. Just get rid of the decimal place plus 1381. Again, and now what we could do is just rewrite this all as, let's go with, actually I'll just write it over here. It's gonna be pretty long. 1000. This is what you could do. This is why we could do this, because everything you could rewrite it as 1000 plus 200 plus 30 and then plus 1, and then we'll just add here. This is a 1000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 1. So yeah, and this one, yeah, you could actually just look at it. It's gonna be the same thing here. What we're doing here, we added the thousands, the 300. So now you kind of see a better idea of how we get that. Again, you could now we could just rewrite this like this. Let's go 100 bracket. I'll just write this on top. So we'll have 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 1. We'll just write the plus over here just so you could see it looks just like that other quick method we have there. So plus 300 plus 80 and then plus 1. So we just put this bracket. So then you can see how it is, and then you just add the similar number of digits, the corresponding digits. So then this one we'll get here, we'll get a 2000. This one will get a plus 500, and this one will get actually a plus this is 1100, I mean 110. And remember, this is above the 2 digits, so then this is actually just 100 plus 10, and then this one would also put it in there, and this is plus 2. So this is where we carry over that extra 1, so just carry it over there. So then in this case, we're just gonna get, again, 100. This is, just put these all together, so we're gonna have 2. This becomes a 6. 6, 1, 2. Then divided by 100, we're just gonna get 26.12. So this is the exact same method here, but this is a quick shortened version. Now, if you were to look at subtraction, so we basically have, let's say, 12.31 minus 1381. This one, if we rewrite it the same way as here, we're gonna have the same thing, except we're gonna get to this point, this step right here, except it's gonna be a subtraction. So we're gonna have, actually, let's go 1 over 100 times by 1000. What is this? 1000 plus, yeah, plus 200 plus 30 plus 1, and then this is all subtracted by, say, 1000, subtracted by 300, subtracted by 80, subtracted by 1. Then if we just look at this one, the ones cancel here, the 1000s cancel, so we're gonna have actually, this is gonna be equal to 1 over 100. This is gonna be 0. And this one is gonna be, this is negative 100. Right here, negative 100. This one right here is negative 50. Minus negative 50. And then this one here is a 0. So our final answer is basically, yeah, this one's just going to be that. So we're going to get 1 over 100, and this is negative 150. And then this would equal to negative divided by 100, 1.5. So now if we were to do it in this one quick method right here, we're going to just get, yeah, with subtraction here, the method I use is basically if it's going to be negative, or the bottom here, the subtracted by, is greater than this one, I would just switch it up and just put a negative sign. So then this one would just be equal to, well, 13.81 minus 12.31. Just put a negative here. So then we're going to have a 0, 5, 1. This cancels. So we're going to have negative 1.5, and that's the same thing here. Well, yeah, I just wanted to clarify the subtraction addition, just so you have a better idea of what you're doing here. So basically, that's all for today. Hopefully, you learned, and stay tuned for another math easy solution.